In this video, we'll show you how to replace the belt on your Greenworks 16-inch snow thrower. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded Greenworks 16-inch snow thrower models. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Tools required. You will need a T20 Torx screwdriver. Turn the unit onto its side with the belt cover facing up. Remove the screws securing the belt cover. The skid shoe must also be removed. Lift the cover and set it aside. If the belt is still intact, remove it by turning the large pulley and firmly pulling the belt upwards until it comes loose. Install the new belt by guiding it into position and firmly pushing it onto the pulley while turning the wheel with your palm. Be advised that often a new belt may feel too small as it has not been worked in yet. Reinstall the belt cover and skid shoe. Turn the unit upright. Run the unit to verify that the belt was installed correctly. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow shovel will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.